Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about depreciation. Depreciation is the gradual and permanent decrease in the value of fixed tangible assets from any cause. So when there is decrease in price of any fixed asset as the time passes, so that is called depreciation. For example, you bought a car 2 years back at 5 lakh rupees, right? But now its price is going to be, when you are going to sell it, suppose 3 lakhs. So there is decrease in the price, that is called depreciation. And why this depreciation is? Because of regular wear and tear, because of new technology, maybe their obsolescence, there may be unfavorable market conditions. So there are so many reasons for depreciation. So depreciation is gradual decrease and permanent decrease in the value of fixed asset. And it is important to note that depreciation is only calculated in cases of fixed assets. For example, vehicles, plants and machinery and buildings. For characteristics of depreciation, it is computed in a systematic and rational manner, right? The calculation of depreciation is very systematic. There are mainly two methods of calculating depreciation, that is straight line method and written down method, right? And there is permanent, continuous and gradual decrease in the utility of fixed assets, but there is always decrease in the value of the fixed asset. And exact value of a asset can never be calculated. So when we calculate depreciation, it's just an estimation. Next is depreciation is a must, and fluctuation in market price has no impact on depreciation, and it is calculated only in respect of fixed assets. For example, plant and machinery, buildings, vehicles, right? It is very important point that it is done only in cases of fixed assets. So numericals related to depreciation. First is a machinery costs rupees 10 lakhs and its economic life is 5 years. It charges depreciation at 20% per annum as per decline basis method. What is written down value of asset at the end of third year? So we have to calculate the value of asset after third year. So method to be used to calculate the value of asset is written down method. So let's see that what happens to the value of asset in first year. So depreciation is at the rate of 20% and the cost of machinery is 10 lakhs. 20% of 10 lakhs is 2 lakhs. And what should be the value of machinery at the end of first year? It should be 10 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, right? So it is 8 lakhs, right? So at the end of first year, the value of asset is going to be 8 lakhs. At the end of second year, what will happen to the asset is, we will calculate 20% of 8 lakhs, which is the value of asset at the end of first year. So 20% of 8 lakhs is 1,60,000, and now we will deduct 1,60,000 from the 8 lakhs. 6,40,000 is the value of asset at the end of second year. And similarly we will calculate the value of asset at the end of third year, that is 20% of 6,40,000, it is going to be 1,28,000, and the value of machinery at the end of third year is 6,40,000 minus 1,28,000, that is 5,12,000 rupees. So at the end of third year, the value of asset is 5,12,000. So here is the answer. Let's take another numerical. A firm has purchased machinery on 1st April 17 of rupees 8 lakhs and sold on 1st October 2018 for 6 lakhs. How much profit is earned by the firm? So in this question also written down method is to be used at the rate of, and depreciation is at the rate of 20%. So firm purchased machinery on 1st April 17 and sold it on 1st October 2018. So the firm sold the machinery after 1.5 years. So let's calculate. At the end of first year, depreciation is going to be 20% of the 8 lakhs. So it is 1,60,000. So value of machinery is going to be 8 lakhs minus 1,60,000, right? So 6,40,000 is the value of machinery at the end of first year. So at the end of first year, 6,40,000 is the value of machinery. And after 1.5 year, because there is a gap of 1.5 year when the firm sold the machinery, so 1.5 year, at the end of 1.5 year, depreciation is going to be, so 20% of 6,40,000, but we have to calculate it for half year, so we will divide it by 2. So 1,28,000 divided by 2, we will get 64,000, and value of machinery we will get after deducting 6,40,000 from 64,000 from 6,40,000. So we will get 5,76,000. So 5,76,000 is the value of machinery at the end of 1.5 year. Now we will have to calculate the profit. The firm sold the machinery was 6 lakhs and the actual value of machinery was 5,76,000. So there is a profit of 24,000. So the answer is 24,000. So that is all about depreciation. We will discuss more numericals related to depreciation in the next videos, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.